Hi, this is the part 2 to solve double-sided inequalities. We're going to focus on solving harder equations. Let's get started. So for the first video we saw questions like this, where basically you have to halve the entire equation, inequality, whatever, and we have to halve each term including the 4 and the 8. So the solution will be 2 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 4. Okay, slightly harder. Here of this equation, first step will be to get rid of the fraction, so we times everything by 2. And then we do what we normally do, we're going to add 1 to all three sides and then divide by 3. So adding 1 will give us this line, and dividing by 3 gives us our answer here. Okay, on to the slightly harder bit, it's different from the last video, where we have this kind of equation. Basically got x's on all three sides, and at first glance this is really hard to solve. What we're going to have to do is chop it into two separate equations, inequalities, things. So, breaks into two halves. I'm going to solve the kind of right middle hand side, and then once I've done that, I'm going to solve the left middle hand side, which is the left two terms. Okay, key thing to remember, for all these things, for it to work properly, you always want to have x in this middle term. Because our final answer, we want to have x is in between just two number values here. So, looking at the first pair, we want to get rid of this 3x first of all. So opposite of plus 3x is minus 3x. We take away 3x on both sides. We now have 2x plus 2 is less than or equal to 20. We're then going to get rid of this 2, so 2x is less than or equal to 18, and we're then going to halve both sides, so x is less than or equal to 9. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing for the left hand side. Again, I want my x's in the middle, so I want to get rid of this 2x. Opposite of 2x is minus 2x, so I take that away from 5x, and I'm left with 3x. Now I want to get rid of this plus 2. The opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. So I now have minus 6 is less than or equal to 3x, and then lastly I need to divide by 3, so minus 2 is less than or equal to x. Now once we've done that, we have solved both these equations. We're just going to merge our answers together. So your overall answer is going to be minus 2 is less than or equal to x, which in turn is less than or equal to 9. Okay, I hope that made sense. Key thing here is basically chopping it into two halves. And again, you only do this if you basically got x's on all three sides, or at least two sides out of 3. Okay, some questions for you to try. Give them a go and good luck. I'll go for the answers in a few seconds. Okay, answers are on the screen now. Hope you got those right and have made sense to you. Good luck and thanks for listening.